service. Is my tie straight? Yeah? Well, your fly's open. Well, do you remember what to say? According to my Parsons manual, yeah, you say,
I do.
Amen, brother.
Oh, Bubba honey, did you bring that tape with the wedding music on it?
Oh, it's here, it's here.
Oh, now listen, honey, when you get ready for it, you just put it in a tape and make sure you push play and make sure that volume's turned all the way up now, okay? All right?
Okay.
Oh, and here's my awesome mystery tape. Make sure you play that real loud too, okay? Well, I guess we're about ready then. You ready, Naomi? Just a minute, I'm getting my veil on.
I think I'm going to be sick.
Okay, I'm ready.
Well, everyone's going to be sick.
Well, get lined up, girl. Come on, Violet, honey.
I don't feel so hot.
Well, lucky for you, honey, I'm about to burn up. Oh, Bubba, go ahead and push play on that tape play thing. Oh, good. Bubba, will you turn that thing down? What is that anyway?
Oh, why is wedding music?
Oh, good. I like it.
Say, are you all right?
Yes, just that a wedding always makes me cry. Oh, Naomi, you and Lisa right in your own vows are so romantic. Have you had a chance to look at his nuptials yet?
Certainly not. Fine, not before the wedding night.
Oh, Naomi, are you still in the toilet? Can't you wait till after the ceremony?
I'm waiting to make my grand entrance.
Now, when do I read my poem? Poetry? Oh, please tell me you're not going to waste our time reading some of your poems. Naomi said I could continue, Naomi.
I guess I did.
Oh, well, all right then, honey, but not after I sing Ah, Sweet Mystery. And make sure you don't start it till that last note. It's the best part of the song.
You're a beautiful bride, Naomi.
Oh, well, please stop that and just go on. Oh, come on, Violet, honey.
Mildred, I'm trying, but I just can't seem to get up.
Come on, honey, let's waiting.
Mildred, you're just going to have to help me.
Oh, come on, sugar, come on.
Ready?
Oh! Come on, honey, go.
It hurts. It hurts. I got sick. It hurts. Oh, my God.
We're gathered here today enjoying Naomi Louise Sparkle and Luther Sylvester Carson in holy matrimony. If there's anybody here who knows of any reason these two should not be joining in this divine union, speak now or forever hold his peace. I believe it this time. Miss Naomi Louise Sparkle and Mr. Luther Sylvester Carson would like to read the vows they've written for each other. Go, Miss Sparkle.